What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I'm going to show you how I do my reports. Okay, not my reports, my research, because I was reading this. Obviously everybody has their own way to do their own research, but I like to do it this way to find new coins and what's happening within the crypto space over here. So usually I come over here to CoinGecko. Okay, CoinGecko is where you're gonna find all the cryptocurrencies that are here. And if you hover over currencies and scroll down to new currencies, you click on that one and it will take you to a new page. This page right here, you can find the latest currencies. And usually what I do, I come all the way down and show the last show 300 coins in the first row, and then I will go by trading volume, because the bigger the trading volume, that means more people are interested in that coin. Okay, so click on trading volume and you can see the coin number, which number the coin is ranking on the total CoinGecko rank. You can see the price, you can see the chain, we can see the stats from the past hour, past for 24 hours, trading volume, and when was launched or when was listed on CoinGecko. Okay, so for example, this one is up 25% for the last 24 hours. Trading volume is super high and it was listed 8 days ago. So if you want to find more information about it, click on right click and open a separate link so you won't leave this page, and you can see over here. Okay, so scrolling down we can see more information, like all-time high 130, so it's down 42.2% from the all-time high, and all-time low was 8 days ago when it was launched on CoinGecko, 0.36. okay, and scrolling further down we can see which exchanges they have listed, so Gate.io, Radium, etc. Okay, so over here is where you can find this coin. So if you want to find more information about this project, you can come over here and click on the website. We'll take you to the website. You can find the Twitter page, you can find the smart contract, and you can find the smart contract for this token. Okay, so for example, if you want to do a deep dive into this token, so you click on the contract address and you come to the DEX screener. So once you come to the DEX screener, you click on search bar right there and you paste the token address and you click on the first one. Okay, and over here we can find more information about the project. Even though the token was listed on CoinGecko a few days ago, 8 days ago, we can see that this one was listed on 18th of March at 4 o'clock, okay, or around 4 o'clock, and you can find the price. So it was listed around let's call it 0.013, okay, and then from there it's just pumped, dumped, and now it's trading sideways. And over here we can find more information about the projects, volume, transactions, etc. Scrolling further down, let me see if I can show you. We can see, let me push this up, pull this up. We can see transactions, we can see what's happening in real time, as you can see right here. We can see the date, type of transaction, the amount, tokens, sold they have used, and price. Okay, and also you can see the wallets that purchased those tokens. Okay, we can see like big people are 7K right there, 2K right there. People are bullish about this token. Okay, because this is a meme coin. And over here we can see the profits and losses. Okay, so we can see that this guy bought or spent 4 million bucks and made 7.5 million. This guy spent 6.2 mil and made 9.6 mil, and so on. And you can also see how much he still has in his wallet. Okay, and you can see everything. And this one usually used to show, okay, over here scrolling further down we can find more information about the tokens, etc. You can see what the community, how the community feels about this token, moon, fire, pool, red flag, etc. Okay, and over here we got the socials and the website for this token, and that usually used to show token sniffer, but now I come over here to the DEX tools. So I'm gonna paste the contract address right there as well. click on that one, and you got the same information as the deck screener, but down here we can see the score. All right, so 99.99, we can see the contract has been verified. It's not a honeypot. So honeypot is a contract where if it is a honeypot, it's a contract that you can only buy, it cannot sell. So you buy, but when it comes to sell, you're not going to be able to sell because the contract was designed that way, and you're going to get screwed essentially. So the dev will be able to sell and keep your money. And yeah, so usually I would like to see more info about the token. So I'm going to find a different token so I can show you more. So for example, this one was listed 9 hours ago and the trading volume 220 millions. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. So let's check this one out and let's see what DEX tool will say. Okay, nothing yet, so we don't have the buy and selling tax information, which is good, always good to know. And again, we can see what this coin is all about. Okay, and essentially that's that when I'm looking for new coins. Okay, but obviously now it's just meme coins all the time, so not much is going on in terms of new coins. So let me go back. So another way that I use this CoinGecko is to find, so for example, you come over here to all coins and you search by trading volume. Okay, on a trading volume, you know, you will start from the highest to the lowest. Okay, and what I usually do is look over here, because right now we are in the pullback. Okay, so I do a comparison with the last 30 days and 7 days, and I scroll down and look for which coins hasn't pumped as much yet, because they're supposed to pump, right? So if they haven't pumped, eventually I will check on them, and if I feel like yes, this one is going to pump, then we will take action. So for example, we can see Chainlink for the past 30 days only pumped around 6%. Okay, even though the trading volume is 663 million, all right, only pumped 6%. So we click on a Chainlink and we can see his ranks on number 13 out of thousands of coins. Okay, because the market cap is 11 bill. All right, so trading volume 666 mil, and we can find more stats about these coins. So all-time high is 52.7%, so it's down 62.4% from all-time high, so it still has room to grow. So right now we are 19.79, so if this thing is due to come to all-time high, so for example, so it's going to be 2x's, so it's going to be like 2.5x's from here to all-time high. And over here we can find more information about where this coin is listed and where you can buy it. Okay, and essentially that's that. But I also use this one to find new coins that was released from the past 30 days. So for example, Book of Meme, we can see that it hasn't been released, it hasn't been 30 days yet. We can see the trading volume is huge, it's pumped a lot, and potentially there is opportunity to make money on this thing. Okay, because still a lot of interest on this thing. So let's see if we can find another one. So Tron hasn't done much, even though the trading volume is huge. Tron hasn't done much. ARB hasn't done much, even though the trading volume is huge. Okay, let me see. WorldCoin. Okay, WorldCoin still got a lot of trading volume. Ondo is doing good. So this one right here is a new coin right there. So trading volume is huge. Okay, so it pumped 24%, is down 2.3%, and so on. So EtherFi, I mentioned EtherFi on my TG group. It was about $3, and I missed the opportunity to buy $3. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for the pullback. If that happens, I'll buy it. If not, you know, screw it. But the trading volume is still there. Okay, and hopefully by now you get the idea how I look for the coins that are due to pump. Okay, yeah, that's that. So let me show you another way that I look for news and potentially upcoming. So you come over here to learn, and you come over here to news. Okay, so when you come over here to news, you can find all the latest news. Okay, so 13 minutes ago, new Solana meme coin rival. So okay, we got the new meme coin right here. Okay, the reason why I right click instead of left click is to open a separate page, because if I click over here, it will take me to the next page, and I don't want that. Okay, so we got a new meme coin right here, Ligma. Okay, so all you got to do is click over here, Ligma, and then you come to the search bar and you type in the name. Oh, it doesn't pop up. It does not pop up. For some reason, he hasn't got listed on CoinGecko yet, I believe. But you can click over here and it will take you to the Twitter page. And on the Twitter page, and right here on the Twitter page, we have, is it this one? We don't really know which one is it, okay? We don't really know which one is it. So probably I'm gonna skip that one. So hold on. I'm trying to find more information about this Ligma token. Currently trading. So usually they have some information about websites and everything else, but it's not here. So I will have to do more research about this Ligma token. Okay, but it's a new Solana meme coin. Okay, so if you are into meme coins, you can go ahead and check that one out. We can also see Pepe sold 500% and so on. So from here you can find which coins potentially will go up, okay, which coins has been recently launched, which coins are doing well, which coins are due to explode, and etc. So Binance to list Bonk, Flocky, FTM trading pairs. Okay, so usually when Binance lists something, this is bullish. Okay, so that was 25 minutes ago. Okay, so when that happens, that's a bullish sign, because Binance is the biggest exchange in the world. Okay, so once something is listed there, that means it's gonna go big, right? So I tend to check those tokens out, keep an eye on them, and if they start pumping, then I'll purchase them. If not, I'll just keep it. Okay, but I also do my research on the token. So I'll go to websites and confirm my choices. So we can see that Binance is going to list these tokens right here. And so live trading 27th of March. So that's going to be tomorrow. Okay, so if you hold, or you want to buy Flocky, Phantom, and Bonk, okay, tomorrow they're going to be listed on the Binance Smart Chain, and so you already know. So potentially these three coins will explode. Okay, and what else you should know? So coming over here to the DEX Screener, you can also find new coins on DEX Screener, but just be careful because a lot of scams over here. You come over here to new coins, new pairs, and you can find all sorts. Okay, all sorts, but just be careful because a lot of scams will happen. So make sure that you check the liquidity right here. Make sure that there are buys and sells happening. Okay, because if not, so let's see if we can find a honeypot token. You can find a huge buying but no selling, so that's a flag right there. Okay, so that's a warning that, hey, don't buy here. So let's see. We don't really find one. Is more or less even out, but yeah, just be careful with that. And you can find the gainers and losers. So all the links of this website is going to be in the description of this video. So spend some time researching these websites. You know, after a while you're going to get the hang of it, and they are fairly easy to play about. Okay, that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.